Hi everyone! Today we will be making a fruit mosaic for a very fun time. A mosaic is a picture or a pattern that is made by putting lots of little things like paper, tile, or glass together. The first step, like always, is to gather supplies. For this project, you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a marker, black would be best, liquid glue or Mod Podge, a foam paintbrush for the liquid glue, and paper scraps like old newspapers, magazines, tissue paper, construction paper, or even tinfoil. Next, find a place to begin working on your mosaic. We recommend covering the surface where you are working with a piece of cardboard. Choose a piece of paper for the background of your mosaic. Neutral colors like white, black, gray, tan, or brown would be best. Now for the fun part. Pick out which color or colors you want your fruit to be. Here's a hint. Use different values of the color you choose. Value is how light or dark a color can be. For example, we are using the color green for our kiwi. We have a dark green and a green that's a little bit lighter, and one that's even lighter than that. Using value makes the fruit look like it's real and right in front of you, and it gives the fruit a shadow. Do you know what I value? Music. So here's another joke. What do you call strawberries playing the guitar? A jam session. Once you have chosen your fruit's colors, find some construction paper, newspaper, tissue paper, tinfoil, magazines, and any other fun materials. You can either rip the paper for uneven edges and fun shapes, or you can cut the paper with scissors for even, straight edges. The pieces can be any size, but try to not have any pieces that are bigger than your hand. Don't make too many either. You can always cut or rip more paper if you need. Once you have picked out a piece of paper for the background, it's time to decide on what fruit you want to make. We will be making a kiwi. Draw an outline of your fruit with a pencil. Ours looks like half of a circle because we will be doing half of the kiwi. You can decide how much of the fruit you want to make. Now it's time to put it all together. Take a piece of the cut or ripped paper, coat one side of the piece with either the liquid glue or Mod Podge, and stick it somewhere inside the outline of the fruit you drew earlier. Repeat this process using different sizes and kinds of paper pieces to create shading and until you have filled in your outline. Once the outline of your fruit is filled in, wait for it to dry and then take your black marker and use it to outline and add detail to your fruit. Now you're all done. Sign your name on your masterpiece and feel free to give it to someone as a gift if you would like. Here are some examples of other fruits we made. The pear, the kiwi, and the apple are all unique and beautiful in their own way. One last joke. What do you call an apple that plays the trumpet? A tutti frutti. We hope you had fun learning about color and making an absolutely fantastic fruit mosaic. Remember, be like a pineapple. Always wear your crown. Thank you for watching.